Good evening, everyone. I, Krishna Mohan, welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Space Facts. Before starting the video, please subscribe the channel and like this video. So today we will talk about the solar eclipse. Before that, we should know about the eclipse. An eclipse is an astronomical event that occurs when an astronomical object is temporarily obscured by passing into the shadow of another astronomical object. An eclipse occurs when three celestial objects become aligned, for example, Sun, Moon, and Earth. So let's talk about the solar eclipse. A solar eclipse occurs when the sun, moon, and earth are aligned and moon is positioned between sun and earth. Hence, a portion of the earth is engulfed in a shadow cast by the moon, which fully or partially blocks sunlight. During a solar eclipse, two shadows are cast by the moon. The first is called the umbra. It is the dark center of the eclipse shadow. The second shadow is called the penumbra. It is the lighter shadow surrounding the umbra. The penumbra gets larger as it goes away from the sun. There are four types of solar eclipse: total solar eclipse, annular solar eclipse, hybrid solar eclipse, and partial solar eclipse. First, we will talk about total solar eclipse. A total solar eclipse occurs when the dark silhouette of the moon completely obscures the intensely bright light of the sun, allowing the much fainter solar corona to be visible. During total solar eclipse, an observer within the umbra observes that the sun completely covered by the moon. During any one eclipse, totally occurs at best only in a narrow track of the surface of the earth. Then we will talk about the annular solar eclipse. An annular solar eclipse occurs when sun and moon are exactly in line with the earth, but the apparent size of the moon is smaller than the sun. Hence, the sun appears as a very bright ring surrounding the dark disks of the moon. Then, a hybrid solar eclipse is a rare type of solar eclipse that changes its appearance as moon shadow moves across the earth's surface. A hybrid solar eclipse is a shift between a total and annular solar eclipse. At certain points on the surface of the earth, it appears as total solar eclipse, whereas at other point it appears as annular solar eclipse. Hybrid solar eclipse are comparatively rare. At last, we will talk about the partial solar eclipse. A partial solar eclipse occurs when the sun and moon are not exactly in the line with the earth and the moon only partially obscures the sun. This phenomenon can usually be seen from a large part of the earth outside the track of an annular or total solar eclipse. However, sometimes solar eclipse can only be seen as a partial solar eclipse because the umbra passes above the earth's polar region and never intersects the earth's surface. So that's all for today, and I wish you a happy new year. Thank you for watching.